Palau gained its independence October 1, 1994, with the entry into force of the Compact of Free Association with the United States. Palau was the last trust territory of the Pacific Islands territories to gain its independence. Under the Compact, the U.S. remains responsible for Palau's defense for 50 years. Palau is a sovereign nation and conducts its own foreign relations. From its independence until July 2019, Palau had established diplomatic relations with over 80 sovereign countries. Since then, it has established bilateral relations with over 10 other nations, raising the current number of diplomatic partners of Palau to over 50. Palau was admitted to the United Nations on December 15, 1994, and has since joined several other international organizations. In 2004, Stuart Beck was appointed to serve as Palau's first permanent representative to the United Nations. Along with the other former trust territories, Palau is one of a handful of countries that regularly votes with Israel in the United Nations General Assembly. List of countries with diplomatic relations with Palau. As per the Ministry of External Affairs of India, India established diplomatic relations with Palau in April 1995. Development assistance from India has included a grant of $149,841 for purchase of kitchen equipment for Palau National Hospital, $, in 2008 for purchase of a boat and 2 pickup trucks, $100,000 United States in June 2010 for purchase of computers and grant of 2 ITEC scholarships in 2010-11. Palau has been supportive of issues of importance to India, particularly Indian candidature to international organizations. It supported India's candidature for the non-permanent membership of the UN Security Council for the 2011-12 term. Presently, there are about 15 Indian nationals in Palau. Palau established formal consular links with Israel. It was reported in early 2008. Diplomatic relations between Japan and Palau were established in December 1994. Japan maintains an embassy at Kora. Japan is currently the second largest donor to Palau after the United States. Ministerial level visits are frequent between the two countries, and Palau is a popular tourist destination for Japanese travelers. Emperor Akihito and Empress Michiko made a state visit to Palau in April 2015. The Marshall Islands and Palau share very good relations, as they are both bound by compacts of free association with the United States. The Federated States of Micronesia and Palau share very good relations, as they are both bound by compacts of free association with the United States. Both countries were incorporated by Spain in the Spanish East Indies, where the capital was Manila, during the 16th century and was formalized in Palau in the 17th century. Palau was a part, and was represented, in the Congress of the First Philippine Republic. But due to the German-Spanish treaty was eventually handed over to Germany, ending Philippine-Palau relations during that period. Formal diplomatic relations were again made on July 15, 1997, after Palau became independent from the United States. Currently, there are at least 5,000 Filipinos working in Palau, and few of Palau students are educated in the Philippines, notably in Mindanao's top universities. The Philippine Embassy in Kora closed on July 31, 2012. Palau and the Philippines are currently discussing the bordering of their maritime borders to negate any future clashes on the matter. The establishment of diplomatic relations between the Republic of Palau and the Republic of Korea began on the 22nd of March 1995. Palau was once part of the Spanish East Indies. Palau has been strengthening relation with the Republic of China in economic and political relations since 1994. Both countries are members of the Compact of Free Association. Due to violation of Palau's waters and poaching, fishing ships from Vietnam were destroyed by Palau. Representations of Palau to other nations, representations of other nations to Palau consular links with Israel.